When you're working on a checklist, sometimes you need the person who will be completing it to answer questions or provide information directly into the checklist. And that's where text inputs come in. With that feature, with the text input feature, you can actually add dedicated fields right inside of your checklist steps to make it so much easier for your team to type their answers directly where you need them. And in AirManual, you can pick from one of two options. You have a single line input. So you can imagine that this one could be for someone's full name or a company name or a date of birth or a particular date or an amount or any other short response, a national ID number, okay? And your multi-line field or multi-line input is for longer responses that require detailed feedback or description, whatever it is that they want to add more context about. So how you add these two features is in your document editor, you'd select the second last feature that says add text input, and then you can also provide a title for that input. So as I mentioned earlier, if it's going to be a single line option, you can have either someone's full name or their date of birth or the date, today's date. And for multi-line inputs, you can add the qualifying questions that you'd want that individual to answer or fill in. A few other use cases that are available right now in the example workspace where you can find all templates, free templates right now to use in AirManual is, for example, in an onboarding checklist. This is available, as I said, in the example workspace. And if you scroll down, the section about reviewing our goals gives the user some space to actually reflect on what they've read. By now, they should have read the vision and long-term goals. And so during their first few days with the business, they would be filling this out by sharing what excites them the most about their long-term strategy. Another example is if you're creating a recruitment process and one of the tasks is to review a job candidate, then you can actually use AirManual to capture the details in that process. So the candidate's name, their email address, the phone number, their profiles, and then you can actually continue on and even use it for things like scoring. So I hope this is actually helpful for you, but if you have any questions or concerns or you need a little bit of help, you can always reach out to us at support@airmanual.co, or you can chat with a member of the team using the icon at the bottom right of this page or of the page you're on in AirManual when you log. Okay, so I hope this helps and thank you so much for watching.